It's time for a Japanese snack video. And it's strangely addicting and good. Look how cute these potato chips are. Oh god, yeah. I have regrets. With the holidays coming up, I wanted to make sure that I could provide you valuable, affordable gifts that kind of transport you through your taste buds to another place like Japan. My friends over at ZenPop are sponsoring this video, and I am going to be unboxing some of their Japan snack boxes. They're actually one of the only subscription snack boxes that has a combination of instant ramen and candy, and they also ship internationally to 48 countries. It's free for most countries. Some countries will charge you $4, but that's also additional tracking for you. Although this is a sponsored video, all of the opinions and first impressions are my own. Ooh. The first box I opened is their ramen and sweets mix pack. This is the December 2020 holiday pack. So if you go to their website and you do want to get a holiday pack, this would be a really good one. 2 instant noodles we have in here. One is a tomato cream, and it actually translates the ingredients for you. It tells you that it has wheat, egg, milk, and squid. So if you have any dietary restrictions, I think that's really nice that it includes that in the box. This one really excites me because it's my favorite color. Wow. This one is just all instant ramen. This is so cool. So my little brother loves instant ramen. I'm probably gonna have to send him this because he's always asking me to send instant ramen, but I don't eat a lot of it, so I don't always know what's good and what to try. So this would be such a good gift for him. How do I, oh. Ah. This is the holiday sweets pack. I personally have such a big sweets tooth, so this is a pack I would order myself, absolutely without a doubt. A meat chip star, whatever that means. These are wasabi sandwich crackers. I bet those are so good. What I like about these is that they're pretty efficiently packed. So there's no extra packaging inside, which I really like. It's just the snacks. And the snacks themselves already have packaging, and this is kind of what they look like when you first open them. Each one is going to pertain to it. And just by the looks of this one, I believe this is the stationery. Yes, this is the holiday stationery pack. I love Japanese stationery. It is so beautiful. So I'm really looking forward to opening this one. My sister-in-law also loves scrapbooking and stationery, so I could definitely see myself giving this as a gift to her. Oh, this is so cute. This is, let me see, Christmas tree with Christmas themed erasers inside. And maybe this is a weird thing to say, but erasers in Japan are really, really good. I don't know what makes them different, but they're really good. The calendar is made of paper, not fabric, but if you look closely, the dotted pattern looks and feels the texture of a tenugui. Yes, I can feel it. This is so cute. Oh my gosh. This is adorable. What a beautiful little surprise. We're also going to try some of the snacks. Don't worry, that's why we're here. I'm gonna stop pointing my knife. I did not realize one of these was a vegetarian box. That is so smart. I cannot even begin to tell you how many people ask me about vegetarian or vegan options in Japan, and I never know what to tell them or how to help them. This is so freaking genius. This box is limited edition, but I think it's actually really important for me to highlight this box because it kind of separates them from other companies doing this, and I hope that some of you guys find value in a vegetarian box, or if you know someone who loves Japan and they're vegetarian, you could always send them this one too. Of course, we're going to try some of the snacks because like I have to. I'm going to pick a few things from the Ramen and Sweets mix pack. This is their holiday box, so it's going to be limited edition. The popcorn is really calling my name. According to my little sheet, the popcorn is Mike's Salt and Sesame Oil Popcorn, and it says that it's limited edition. So the flavor is Shio, which is salt, and Goma, which is sesame. So it's going to be simple yet delicious. I shall be the judge of that. This is what the bag looks like. My dog just heard me opening this because dogs only hear plastic, I swear. So it smells like regular popcorn, but to be honest, it looks moldy. Let me show you. Whoa, hold up. It's green because it's seaweed, for sure. Why doesn't it say seaweed? I'm confused. Oh, it's because I didn't read it all the way. And it's strangely addicting and good. It's like popcorn that tastes like the ocean. I mean, I like it, but if you don't like ocean-y flavored things, you would not. I don't think you would enjoy it. These are Petite potato chips with garlic soy. These are also limited edition and new. Bite-sized potato chip that combines rich soy sauce and fragrant garlic. Oh, my mouth instantly just started salivating. Look how cute this potato chips are. Sorry, that voice crack was really annoying. I'm really sorry you had to live through that. Like, as it was coming out, it was annoying me. These are so good. I love soy sauce flavored things in Japan. They do it really, really well here. I don't really taste the garlic as much as I thought. However, listen. Like, the crunch is amazing. They're basically like baby Pringles. Let me eat some more popcorn. Now, I say we make one of the ramens. I'm torn between tomato cream ramen, which has shrimp, or charcoal grilled ago dashi udon. I'm gonna try the tomato cream ramen because it says that it's becoming a lot more popular here in Japan and the packaging is really pretty. So we're gonna make this one. It says to open the lid halfway and add hot water to the line, cover it and let it sit for 3 minutes. Mix thoroughly and enjoy. I'm just gonna boil some hot water. Why did I just smell that for no reason? Ooh. Yeah, so this is bringing back memories. I really love pizza Pringles. Like, I love pizza flavored food. No wonder I was drawn to this. It just smells like artificial pizza and I'm living for this right now. We're just gonna like wait. You know when they say watching water boil, watching water boil, the water never boils? I'm just gonna go grab another snack. We're gonna try these while we're waiting. I feel like I've had these before though. These are called kari kari. Ooh, okay, these are made with Hokkaido milk, and milk from Hokkaido is really famous. Oh, I've definitely had these before. My mouth you know when you smell something and your mouth instantly salivates for, like, because it's triggered? Oh god, yeah. I had these at a coffee shop once. Like, they served it with coffee. Super, super crunchy. Coated with caramel. Kind of reminds me of like French toast. It tastes like French toast, but like a freaking like little stick. Okay. All right. Our water's starting to boil. We're gonna fill it to the line and then cover it back up and let it sit for 3 minutes. you know, I'm just gonna like use this to cover. At the bottom of this, it actually has Japanese lessons for the holidays. December is Junigatsu, which is like 12th month. Merry Christmas, Merry Kurisumasu. Happy Kwanzaa, Kwanzaa omedeto. Alexa, set a timer for 3 minutes.
3 minutes, starting now.
Thanks, girl. Sorry if I turn any of your Alexas on. Happy Hanukkah, Hanukkah omedeto. Mata rainen. See you next year. Mata rainen. This is actually really cool. It looks kind of creamy. Tomato and cream ramen. I'm just assuming it's gonna taste like tomato cream soup, okay? I'm just gonna put that out there on a limb. I don't think it's gonna taste so much like ramen. I think it's gonna just taste like tomato and cream with noodles. And I'm probably gonna just burn my mouth. I have regrets. I would not have bought this at the store probably. I'm going to be quite honest. It tastes like tomato and cream soup, as I suspected, but like it's really good and pleasant. It's also kind of salty. I suspect, because I love pizza and tomato flavored artificial things, I will be buying this again. So thank you, ZenPop, because I literally would have not tried this without this box. All right, let's go to the next thing. I love and support ZenPop. They are a small business based in Osaka, and I really love what they're doing. They provide such a huge variety and value to snack lovers everywhere. I love that they ship to so many countries, and it is free shipping for most countries. Some of you will have to pay an extra $4, but you're also getting tracking with that. You guys can use code her.atlas to get $3 off of your first box. They offer monthly boxes, seasonal boxes, holiday boxes. I hope that you guys enjoyed this unboxing and this taste test, and I will see you guys very soon. Bye!